Have you ever looked at your spare change and wondered, could this be the start of something big? And if so, is it better to put that spare change to work with a user-friendly app like Acorns or a long-standing investment titan like Vanguard? This isn't just a battle of apps, it's a battle of two very different approaches to building long-term wealth. Acorns is a modern marvel of convenience. It's built on a simple premise, round UPS. Every time you buy something with a linked card, Acorns rounds up your purchase to the nearest dollar and invests the difference. That 95-cent coffee? 5 cents goes to your investments. It's a passive, almost subconscious way to start investing. Acorns does the heavy lifting, automatically placing your money into a diversified portfolio of exchange-traded funds, or ETFs, based on your risk tolerance. It's fantastic for beginners who want to get started with very little money and a very low barrier to entry. But, and this is a big but, Acorns charges a flat monthly fee of $3, $6, or even $12, which can be a significant drag on small balances. A $3 fee on a $100 account is a 36% annual fee. That's a lot of your hard-earned money going to fees. On the other side, you have Vanguard, a pioneer of low-cost investing. While they have a robo-advisor service called Digital Advisor, Vanguard's primary strength lies in its vast array of low-cost mutual funds and ETFs. With Vanguard, you take a more hands-on approach. You choose the specific funds you want to invest in. Vanguard is famous for its index funds, which simply track a market index, like the S&P 500, with incredibly low expense ratios. These expense ratios are a percentage of your assets, often a fraction of a percent, meaning your fees are tied to your account size. As your portfolio grows, the fees remain proportionally low, which can save you a fortune over a long investing career. However, Vanguard's traditional accounts often have a higher initial investment minimum, and the user experience isn't as slick or automated as an app like Acorns. So, which one is right for you? It really comes down to your personal style. If you're a new investor with very little to start with and need a behavioral nudge to save, Acorns is a fantastic gateway. It makes investing feel effortless. But if you're a more seasoned investor with a larger sum to invest, or if you're serious about minimizing fees for the long haul, Vanguard is the clear choice. Its low-cost, long-term approach is a proven winner for building serious wealth. Remember, the best investment is the one you actually make. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.